To me, the goal of grief work is in time, at your own pace, to remember your loved one who has died with more love than pain. When it comes to grief, it's such unknown territory in our culture. We don't know how to grieve anymore. And while my mentor was Elizabeth Kubler-Ross, who did the 5 stages, denial, anger, bargaining, depression, acceptance, they are not a map for grief. And Elizabeth and I will tell you, grief is so individual. Sometimes those help us know we're doing something in a way that other people have done before and it's okay to normalize it. But we tell people your grief is so unique. And don't get stuck on a model. Grieve any way that's right for you. In fact, part of this work is figuring out how to grieve best for you, not your neighbor, not your sister, not your husband, for you.